got the Mavic 4 Pro, baby, in New Braunfels, Texas. Let's get this big bad mamma jamma up in the air. And the drone is up.
It all started with a wink, an unassuming little thing that has led us here today. She was not one for the bar. We only lived mere miles apart, more like a second chance away. We had both loved and lost, and we'd both been on first dates, but this one was different. And now I say, I saw fireworks that day in every way. I saw fireworks for the second time in 2 days. Battled distance through the years, weekend flights and talk all nights, growing closer, sharing fears. I took you to the mountaintop and bent the knee when we got off. You were smiling ear to ear. Both loved and lost, but we can start again. This time we're different, so now we say, I saw fireworks that day. I saw fireworks for the second time in 2 days. You're my fireworks every day. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You're my fireworks. Let's never change anything. Let's never change anything.